Silver against US dollar this week has risen in value. We can see that the price has formed a bullish candle on Monday, but could not succeed making a bullish breakout above this area of resistance 32.47. Next day, the price has managed to make this bullish breakout, forming a bullish breakout above this area of resistance about 33. But the next day, the price has invalidated this bullish breakout, and we can see strong bearish candle has been formed, but stopped at this support level. After that, the price could not manage to go further down. We can see that it had a problem around this area of support, and we can see on the Friday the price was turned back up, which is a bullish scenario currently on the market. Weekly time frame shows me that we have a bullish week has closed, and we can see currently the price is in between this resistance level and the support level. Monthly time frame shows me currently a small bullish candle with a wick on the lower side, wick on the upside, which means indecision between the buyers and the sellers. The month has just started, so we cannot make any conclusions, but very important support and resistance levels are this one. For the price, it is a resistance level here, and the support level is around this area here. So to get any analysis, we should go to the lower time frames, which is like weekly and the daily. For the weekly, we can see it is currently in between the buyers and the sellers, and the support and the resistance levels, so it is much more important to see the daily time frame how this looks. The price currently shows me that we have a support level that is holding, and we have a resistance level that needs to be broken. So the price is in between this resistance and the support level. For next week, I'm expecting and waiting for the price to make a bullish or bearish breakout. But how the market looks like right now, it is indecision because the price is moving sideways, trying to make a bullish breakout, failed one, a bearish breakout, failed one, a bullish breakout, a failed one. So we'll see where the price goes and where it tends to move. 4-hour time frame currently shows me the price is reached at a resistance level that needs to be broken to allow the price to reach higher price levels. So for now, what we can see on the 4-hour time frame, it's not very clear situation, so we need to wait how the price will behave around this area of resistance and the area of support. So for the silver, I'm waiting outside of the market to see how the price will behave and make a clear direction, so we can also follow the market. If you would like to receive the updates during the week when the breakout happens on the 1-hour time frame, especially 4-hour time frame, feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, and join other traders who gets these informations. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.